many years owning Mitsubishis, and we still do. We have been blessed to be gifted, and now we are owners of a 2012 Toyota Sienna, and it will be our new family vehicle, and taking the kids around doing errands. So we're going to do full walk around. A few months ago, our 2002 Mitsubishi Montero was involved in a hit and run. We still have it, and it will be repaired, but we had opportunity where someone offered this, a family member offered this van, and we went ahead and took it. It's not perfect, and you will find out why we got this van as a gift. The van's in really good condition. It is 2012. It does have some little wear and tear, but nothing that's hard to fix. It's mostly cosmetic, really no big deal. But here's why we got it as a gift. It was involved in a rear end collision. I guess a lady on her phone texting, I'm not sure, she didn't pay attention on the off ramp and ran into the van, and as you can see, there is the damage right off the bat. Rear tailgate needs to be replaced, along with the rear bumper, which is missing. We got it, but it was so damaged we just ripped it off. Rear reinforcement needs to be replaced, and right here, this sheet metal needs to be pulled out. But this van's gonna be going at my boy's shop, RDM Motorsports. They get repaired, and I will be helping them too. They've done much more complicated body work, so this should be a breeze for them. But as you can see, that is the damage, and a little bit of damage right here, the rear quarter panel. That should be easy to fix. Other than that, the taillights are there, the glass is in place, which is a big plus. You don't have to worry about buying a new glass. So that will be transferred to the new tailgate, and we just need to replace this rear hatch lens as it's cracked right there. But no moisture has been getting in, which is a good thing, but definitely we're going to replace that once it's fixed. But other than that, the van is in pretty mint condition. Continue with the walk around. As you can see, it is pretty well taken care of. This is what I'm talking about. The windshield was replaced at one point. These need to be replaced. Really no big deal. Headlights need to be reconditioned. There's some pitting. These were a lot worse. I hit it with some plastic cleaner, McGuire's. Did a big thing, but made the big difference. But I'm going to sand it down, do it the proper way. Probably going to repaint the front bumper. There is some color fade on there. And then we have a problem here with love bugs in Florida. And this is what happens if you don't wash them off. It actually eats through the clear coat right there. I don't know if you can see. So usually what we have to do here in Florida is you have to load the front with a lot of wax or some type of barrier protectant, or maybe a clear a pleak. But during love bug season, it comes twice a year. This is what we have to run to, or wash your vehicle more often. But really no big deal. Not really picky about that. We can fix that. But other than that, it is a pretty well taken care of van. It's mint. I'm gonna check the interior out now. Alright, I'm gonna check the interior. There we go. Has leather seats. Come here. Alright, it's not bad. It's really good. I mean, can't complain. But really, go ahead and turn the van on here. Alright, no check engine lights. 113 7043. Pretty good fuel mileage. We've been driving this for a couple weeks as we were getting parts to repair. We're getting about 19.8. That's with mixed city and highway driving. But we did where we were averaging about 27 on strict highway at one point, when we actually took the van to my boy's shop to assess the damage, and so we know which parts to order. So the van gets pretty good gas mileage. It is a big van, pretty heavy. You know, AC works. There you go. Gets cold pretty quick. Has rear AC controls here. I mean, if you're a Sienna, you already know all this good stuff. But yeah, let's check it out, how quiet it is. No weird clanking noises. It's a Toyota, so you can't really be surprised. Pop the hood here. I believe this is the 3.3 V6. Has gotten all the scheduled maintenance. I believe it just got its maintenance last year. Just needs a good cleaning in the engine bay, and it looks pretty much brand new. The kids love this feature, the automatic sliding doors. It works on both sides. Just go ahead and open up the passenger side. Seat 7. You got two middle captain chairs right here. They do slide back and forth. And then you have the rear over here. Seats 3. Probably kids or small adults, but probably two regular size adults. Has a DVD unit. Everything, like I said, it's pretty mint. We got these Toyota rubber mats for $50 off Facebook Marketplace. We added a few little things here. We cleaned it up. But other than that, it's a pretty cool van. Has these little shade thingies here. That's pretty cool. And it has them also in the back. See over there. Plenty of cup holders. So yeah, this is our 2012 Toyota Sienna. And the rest of the video, I am gonna do a little video on the repairs to get it back to a decent looking vehicle without the damage. Enjoy the rest of the video.